Achieving a better practical standard of safety on a construction site involves implementing a series of structured strategies that are comprehensive safety planning. Pre-construction risk assessments. Perform detailed risk assessments before starting any project. Site-specific safety plan. Develop a safety plan tailored to the specific site, addressing unique challenges and hazards. Regular and tailored safety training induction. Training. Every worker should undergo site-specific safety training as soon as they join the project. Ongoing training. Provide refresher courses and advanced training as new equipment, tools, or tasks are introduced. Strict use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Mandatory PPE policy. Enforce the consistent use of PPE such as hard hats, steel-toe boots, high-visibility vests, gloves, and protective eyewear. Adequate supply and maintenance. Ensure PPE is readily available to all workers and regularly inspect and replace damaged or worn-out gear. Establish clear communication channels. On-site communication tools. Equip workers with radios or mobile communication devices to report hazards or emergencies quickly. Daily safety briefings. Hold regular safety meetings at the start of each day. Clear signage. Use clear, well-placed signage to indicate restricted areas and emergency exits. Enforce safety supervision and monitoring safety officers. Appoint a dedicated safety officer to oversee compliance with safety protocols and identify risks. Regular inspections.